HVAC split unit for a heating and air conditioning. Question, sometimes one, perhaps it helps if one understands the holistic approach, how the entire unit works together. There are so many different working parts, say for instance within an air handler and a condenser. So the point here being, the air handler, we'll say a split unit, so this should have two lines, a low pressure line and a high pressure line going, low pressure line coming this way, high pressure line going in this direction. So question here, when this unit here, this particular condenser, little sketch drawing, most often, unless it's a package unit, may sit outside. And in the summer months, if one, say, puts their hand atop here, there's a fan, say about a foot away or something, one may feel heat if the system is operating properly, because it's drawing air in from the side and it's blowing the air up, dissipating, hence laying the groundwork for the correct phase change of the refrigerant inside. So inside you have something called an A coil. I'm not sure who named it this, but a lot of them are shaped like an A, but just some of them are not. So don't be misled that it's always shaped sort of like a triangle, but often it does. But the point here is, when one goes inside to this unit, we have a phase change here. This unit we will consider the cold side. So again, when the refrigerant comes in, then the refrigerant begins to have a phase change. Then it goes from liquid to vapor, and then the temperature may get around 40 to say 40 to somewhat maybe 50 degrees on 44 degrees by the time it leaves the A coil. Then it goes over here to the condenser. It may be somewhere in the range of 50 degrees. I'm not certain on that. But then we'll call this side, the condenser side, the hot side, because if you feel it, then it takes this low pressure vapor here, and there's a compressor in here. This compressor will actually compress this low pressure vapor into a high pressure vapor. Once it compresses it into a high pressure vapor, the cool air comes across here. It draws the air, dissipates the air upward. Once the air is dissipated upward, then this high pressure vapor, which is hot, may actually begin to turn back into liquid. So then it goes into liquid form. Then it goes back another 360-degree cycle. I mean, it goes here, and there's either a TXV or a thermostatic expansion valve, goes back in as liquid, then it cools off, grabs the heat from inside, the heat goes to cold. So this, you do not want this A coil to drop below 32 degrees. So it goes through here, exits here, comes back out. When it comes back out around, say, 40, 44 degrees over here, then it comes into the compressor compresses it. It may be around, say, 50 degrees or something, and then the compressor compresses it. Then this may be, this would be vapor here, because you do not want to put liquid in the compressor. If you put liquid in the compressor, you may damage it. I'm not certain if it's how quickly. That's something I'm not at liberty to address, but over a period of time, if you continue to put liquid in this compressor, it's not good. It can damage the compressor. But then the air comes across here, the fan blows it up, and we go back through the 360-degree cycle. So we'll call the indoor unit on the split unit the cold side, which is the air handler. The outside, the condenser, we'll call it the hot side. Thank you for watching. If you find any of these videos helpful, useful, and any tidbits of information that may assist in whatever HVAC journey you're in, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.